Hey guys! For those of you who don't know me, my name is Samantha. I'm going to be a PA student here in Southern California in August, and I am a new affiliate of myPAbox. Since it's my first time making a video for the myPAbox channel, I thought I would just start with the basics and explain to those of you who have no clue what myPAbox is, exactly what it is, why it was founded, and why it is that I'm super jealous of those of you who have access to myPAbox when I did not when I was applying to PA school. Let's get started, shall we? There are about 280 plus PA programs right now, and to top it all off, each of them have their own specific requirements. It really depends on each program individually, and it can be super exhausting to go one by one into every single PA program, see what they require, see if you have those requirements done or if you're on the right track toward fulfilling them. It's a process. On top of that, it is so tedious to figure out what exactly the best strategy is to becoming a competitive applicant that is able to apply to more schools, because the more schools you apply to, the higher your chances of getting accepted to PA school. That is where myPAbox comes in. Back in the day when I applied to PA school in the year 2019, when myPAbox was just starting to take hold into the pre-PA community, I had to categorize schools and their requirements the old-fashioned way, and that was with the notorious Excel spreadsheet. I'm not kidding you, it took me about 2 or 3 days to complete at least, and I'm being really conservative with that number. And even still, I had to update it regularly and would find out that a school added a genetics course at the last minute into their prerequisite requirements, and then I would have to scramble to fit that in and see what other schools that I can now apply to because I was adding a genetics course. It's tedious, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, and as a pre-PA student, I'm well aware that time is incredibly valuable, and that time could have been spent accumulating patient care experience hours or volunteer hours or shadowing a PA, things like that. myPAbox has taken this issue that so many pre-PA students have historically faced when applying to PA school. They provided a platform that we can just enter in all of our stats, put it in one place, and it just automatically generates the PA schools that are a good match for you. So what does myPAbox provide exactly? How would it make your life easier as a pre-PA student? Well, let me tell you. It has all of the US PA schools in one place. It's all on one website, one platform, and it's an incredibly easy to use interface. It really breaks it down and makes the process really easy, because otherwise you have to Google every program individually. myPAbox really streamlines this entire process. On top of having all of the PA programs in the US at your fingertips, you can also go into the physician school match feature and type in all of your stats. You can allow the site to generate the schools that you're applicable for. So it's not just going to show you which schools you can apply to, but it's going to show you the ones you're most likely to get accepted to. That is so helpful, especially for those of you who have, maybe a slightly lower GPA and you're wondering, which schools can I apply to? Which ones are actually going to consider me a slightly more competitive applicant? If you're just starting out, you're just deciding that PA is the route for you and you know which schools you want to apply to, you can save those schools into your dashboard, take a look at the prerequisites that are required, plan to take them, and as you go throughout your undergrad career and as you go through your prerequisites, myPAbox will keep track of all your completed and your pending prerequisites. This will allow you to see how close you are to applying to that program, which is so great because it'll hold you accountable, and myPAbox updates regularly, so you will never get into the situation that I did where I found out a month before applying to a program that a new course was required. That would be something that I would have avoided had I had myPAbox. And all of that time that I spent working on those spreadsheets and updating them would have been saved if I had had access to myPAbox when I applied. That's just a general overview of myPAbox. In future videos on the myPAbox YouTube channel, I'm going to be going deeper into the website and show you guys additions that they're making to the site and different aspects that I think would have really helped me if I had had access to myPAbox when I was a pre-PA student, and things that I really think will help you guys out. Aside from that, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.